guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, fashion, super original, like a lot of people on YouTube, but I just recently started my channel and it's something I had wanted to do for a really long time, and so I'm so glad that I'm here making them. I'm so glad that you're watching my videos. I also started a Instagram account called The Fashion Squirrel because I love squirrels and I love fashion, and I post a lot of fun photos over there too, so if you want to follow me, it is The Fashion Squirrel. But anyways, so for today's video I'm doing a review of Rent the Runway. And Rent the Runway has made a huge difference for me in starting said YouTube channel and Instagram account, because one of the reasons that I was a little bit hesitant about starting these was thinking, how do people, I guess, like, have the money to constantly be buying new clothes all the time? Because when you think about it, bloggers and YouTubers and people who do Instagram are constantly wearing new clothes, and I was like, I really can't just be like buying tons of new clothes all the time. And it's also kind of like, once you buy them, you take a picture in them, it's like you can't really do it again, so it just really doesn't make a lot of sense. And then I remembered, actually one of my coworkers brought up that Rent the Runway does a limited subscription service. And if you're not familiar with Rent the Runway, it is an online subscription service where you can rent clothing, not just for events like dresses and evening gowns and stuff, but also regular clothes like sweaters, skirts, jackets, handbags, and you can keep them for, if you do the unlimited subscription, you can keep them for basically as long as you want and constantly be switching them out. So with the unlimited subscription, you can have 4 different pieces at a time, and you can constantly be switching them out with other pieces, or you can hold on to a piece for a while. So what I like to do is I like to rent my 4 pieces, usually by Monday, like Tuesday night latest. They'll come in on, say, around Thursday or Friday. And then on Saturday and Sunday, I'll shoot photographs for my Instagram with those pieces. And then on Monday, I'll return them and then start the cycle all over again. So, I mean, some of these pieces are like designer pieces. I rented a jacket once that was almost $1,000. I would never normally buy that, but I rented it and I got to wear it, take pictures, and then I sent it back. It really just makes so much sense. The unlimited subscription is, I think, $159 a month. The first month is, I think, $99. It depends on if they're doing like a promotion or if that's still going on. When I signed up in December, and they were doing a promotion then, so just check their website, I guess. You can also rent just a piece at a time. So say if you really like, this theory skirt, or like these earrings or something, or you need a little clutch bag that you want to bring with you, you can rent just one piece at a time. It'll cost, like, I'd say median around like $40 or $50 to rent. And then you get that one piece for one time and you have to return it. It's a smaller window, but you can really maximize what you can get with the unlimited subscription. So if you're someone that's thinking about starting a blog, thinking about starting a YouTube, thinking about, really getting serious with your Instagram account, Rent the Runway just makes so much sense. And I'm really shocked that more people aren't like taking advantage of this. I mean, I hope that too many people don't, because honestly I don't want the price to go up. But I thought that it was a really, really good life hack and a really good tip to share. So again, just to give you a sense of sort of the process when you are an unlimited subscription member. So first you will go online and you will search through their site. They have thousands and thousands of different styles to choose from, and you can pick 4 different items at a time, and you can have 4 different pieces in your basket. You actually only get a 20-minute limit with those items in your basket, so as soon as you pick one, you gotta kind of pick the other ones quickly. But Rent the Runway will already have your sizes input. I usually do 4 and 6 because I'm about either a medium, sometimes a small, and I find that that sort of works for me. And then the soonest delivery date will also already be available in there as well. So what you'll want to do is search for everything in Rent the Runway Unlimited that's available for that date. Keep in mind that I would actually kind of like use what's on the website as a starting point. If you try to search for specific, like, say, pieces that you had in mind to see if they're on Rent the Runway, they probably won't be. It's more just like what's available at that time. I usually like to go for something a little bit brighter that'll stand out in photos, or I will try to do something like, I think my Instagram feed, I try to make it a little bit more girly, lots of like pinks and blues and sometimes blacks. And so I will kind of save stuff. I have like a little like girly folder that I like to save stuff into. And then once you have picked your 4 items, you will check out. The app will let you know how much time. Usually it will ship in 2 days. Sometimes it will come in 1 day. If you live in New York, I know that their warehouse is located in New Jersey, which is pretty close. So generally it comes very soon. And then it comes just as any other mail would. It comes in this like little zipped up garment bag. I take it upstairs, I open it up, I'm all excited about what's in there, and then I hang up my pieces on my garment rack, and then I kind of from there I like to get inspired. I think, oh, this would look great with this background, that would look great with that background. I mean, it's very similar to if you have ever worked in PR or if you know about the PR world, how designers will, like designer clothing brands or even makeup or anything technically, will send influencers pieces just like for free. Like they have literally like a sample closet and they will send them to them and send them back. If you're someone that's just getting started out and you don't have a lot of followers and you're not really at that level where you can be doing that yet, this is a great way to kind of get yourself started, I think. And I am just really excited that I found this. I'm definitely going to keep doing it. And I wanted to share. But leave me a comment below if you've tried this, if you like it, what your thoughts were. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!